get a lot of people asking me why I drive my car with rims on it in the winter. And that's because, honestly, the car drives pretty good with the 20s, even though I don't have snow tires. So the current setup I got right now are the Nito NT555. If you follow my channel, you know that all my tires are pretty bad right now. All my tires are wearing unevenly because I have a bad suspension in the back. With that said and done, the car still drives perfectly fine in the winter. So I haven't had any issues. This will be the second winter or third winter with the 20s on, and I still have no issues. I don't get stuck. I feel like people that get stuck, man, those are the people that have like rims with the rubber band tires on them. Like, that's 100% no, man. You're not supposed to do that, but we're gonna find out why. I'm gonna let y'all know why. This is pretty much the best car for a winter, man. So let's get right to it. Let's clean the rest of the car off and let's get it. Get you a broom, by the way, man. Get you a broom. Best thing to use, baby. Might scratch up the roof a little bit, but I don't care. It's wrapped. Hold on, gotta leave that clean. Hold on. By the way, if you don't follow me already on these social medias, man, go follow me on Facebook, Javon Stewart, on Instagram, MoparMayne, and on Snapchat, TJ Vons. I really don't use Snapchat a lot, but sometimes before I do like car reviews, I will post a picture of the car. So if you follow me on Snapchat, you'll see whatever car I'm about to review before I do it. So go follow me on those social medias, y'all. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he is back there, knocked out. Real simple, real easy, man. Wasn't hard at all. Look at my look at my son, he back there, knocked out. I have survived the New York winter with these rims for 3 years, so no issue at all. You just can't be out driving recklessly and being crazy, man. Be the people that, you know, act like they can go 50 miles an hour in snow. Like, you can't do that. Like, I don't care what kind of car you got. This is all-wheel drive. This is the all-wheel drive model, but you can't, doesn't matter. Like, all-wheel drive won't save you from ice. So you just gotta drive with some common sense, basically, and you'll be all right. Now, again, people that drive on rims with rubber bands and real thin tires, that's not the way to do it either, because you can put snow tires on rims and you'll be all right. It's not recommended, but I don't have another set of tires, so another set of rims, so these work just fine for me, man. Like I said, I'm getting the new tires put on the car. They should be here by the 20th. I'll do another video for that. And I know for those who've been with the channel since day one, I know y'all hear my exhaust. It sounds a lot louder, a lot different. I'm gonna do a separate video on that because I got it replaced. But anyway, I ain't gonna give y'all too much of what I got going on the exhaust. Now, the thing about this car is, and this is honestly my opinion, like, I know a few people gonna disagree, but 100% my opinion, I feel like the Chrysler 200 is the perfect winter car. And the reason I say that because the car drives the best in the winter. And I don't know if that's just me or because the car is pretty much built to run hot. With the V6 motor, it's built to run on the hotter side. But in the winter, the car performs so much better. And I don't know what it is. Like, obviously cooler temps is gonna help the car perform better. You know, anybody should know that. But for me, it's a drastic change. So I feel like when it's cold outside, the car is like 60% better than what it was. And that's kind of crazy, seeing that the car has decent power. Like, look at this dude right here, speeding, trying to blow by me on a turn. Like, why, bro? Anyway, the car performs so much better. When I do pulls, man, when it's cold, I feel like the car has, the car probably has like 40, 50 more horsepower. At least that's how it feels. Physically, the car doesn't have that much, but it feels that way. And again, it could be just me, but I feel like the car has a lot more horsepower. You can do a lot more with it, and it just drives better. It feels smoother to me. The transmission shifts, you know, a lot better than that hard shift that it does in the winter, in the summer when it's really hot out. But I don't know, man. This, to me, this makes the perfect winter car. I have literally no issues in the winter. Like, I'll have issues in the summer. When the winter comes and it's cold, the car loves it. Like, in the winter, it drives twice as good as it ever did. It feels like a new car every time it's winter time. So, but I just want to let y'all know, this is why I feel like this is the best winter car. And plus, you can't beat the all-wheel drive. Have a good day. Thanksgiving coming up. Y'all better eat good. Save me a plate. Please save me a plate. Especially on the pie. Save me a piece of pie, fellas. Drive safe, y'all. Be careful, man. I appreciate y'all for watching this video. And that's it, man. I'm out. Peace.